Hello, 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 kindred family. It's me. My name is Cassandra Lee. Hi guys, so this is just going to be a really self-explanatory video. I'm not going to talk much. Pretty much what I'm doing is just slicking my hair down with some mousse. I'm using the Black Panther. It's actually braid control mousse, but you can use any type of mousse that you want. And yeah, I'm just going to be combing it and moussing it throughout the entire video.
Rising up like phoenixes, been tired of pushed down the ground. Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. Rising up like phoenixes, been tired of pushed down the ground.
Hi kindred fam, welcome back to my channel. So this is just how I style this hair. This is not how I do it every day, but this is just another way to do it. If you want to have like a slicked back wet look, then you can do it this way. I do recommend, if you are going for like a wet look all day, use mousse. Opposed to like a gel. A mousse is going to definitely give you that wet and wavy look throughout the entire day. And it's also going to have a really good hold, so just make sure that you have a mousse that has a really good hold. I used my braiding control mousse. It's by Black Panther. I do need to get more mousse, but that's just all I used. And all you need is just to start with your hair completely detangled, and then you just use the mousse and work that into the curls and style as desired. This is a T-part wig. It doesn't have much lace room, so I didn't really do anything for the baby hairs or anything like that. I don't even have it you know, snatched and slayed. It's not like on my scalp or anything at all. So just have like the clips in. And yeah, so this is the video on how you can get this wet wavy look with that wave that I had in the video prior. And yeah, guys, let me know how you like the short hair on me. When it's blowed out, I feel like Whitney Houston vibes, and then when it's slicked back like this, I feel like Halle Berry. So hope you guys are having a beautiful day, night, wherever you are. Stay radiant, stay gorgeous, stay prosperous. You have gunk in your eye, baby.